Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, Peter and I are in the studio just doing a quick little shoot. We're going to get through 3 different looks and we're only going to use an on-camera flash for it.
Okay, so I haven't taken this shot yet. I'll put a link in the description about the bracket I'm using. I've just got a A1 Profoto just connected up to the Hasselblad. I'm just using just a Canon friggin' connector cable, but because I'm just using the flash part, it's not ETTL, it doesn't matter what brand I use. So I'm just take my first test shoot, cool. Color balance is horrible, I'll quickly just pinch it a little bit of that wall. That's better. Get my overexposure warning turned on. Just see how much room I've got. Not much, about 1/3 of a stop. So I might just bring this up. So I'm F8, 160 of a second. I might just punch it up here 2/10 and see what that gives me. Didn't seem to change much. I'm going no 2/10, cool. I think that's got me much closer. Yeah, so yeah, about 1/3 of a stop I'm starting to go over. And it's one of the reasons I use the bracket is I'm liking the off-center shadow that's just running down there. That's one of the reasons why I've always used, well, I tend to always use a side bracket. It's like the old Mets flashes on my old Hasselblad that I used to use. Right, so now let's make it mine. Now, I have to be careful not to lose detail in the black, so I'm gonna go black and white and I think green channel, which is gonna give me the best shape for my liking. Let's get all of this hair to pop out. So I'm just gonna give it a heap of shadow fill. Like maybe a little bit too much, but I'm gonna contrast it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna pull a curve down a bit to get that more chromy type of skin look. Throw a little bit of clarity on here. Think about there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm trying to get that sort of, without the color, I'm trying to get that sort of paparazzi type of backstage look. In high-end fashion, use this a lot. See how the shadow's just off to one side? That's the look I'm after. I will do a bit of retouching in the end to get the final shot. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Yeah, I can't do that color thing. Cool, let's see what we can get. I can live with 2 of the bracelets, but I can't live with the hair ties. Professional models. I don't mind that if you want to leave those ones on. That doesn't worry me if you had those on. So all I'm after, oh, it'll be too bright. For some reason, the first time whenever I take a break for a little bit, and the first flashback, this always overexposes it. I think it just goes to full power when it comes back on. Cool, just make sure I'm still happy with how that's looking. So now we just try to go for those shots. Cool. Cool, that's really cool. Cool. So did you want the Megan Fox feel? Or do you want the feel of her pictures? Because she's been playful. Right. Can you do playful? I don't know. Well, that's what I was asking, because her pictures are very playful. She's playing with a cherry, and if you don't want to, that's fine. Cool, I like that, that's cool.
I don't know if it's really like my vibe.
Your vibe? But you liked this picture.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, great. Give me a picture. I really like this. And, oh yeah, but it's not my vibe. Well, I reckon you should just do your vibe. I think that'll be the best. So you can just vibe up the type of shot you want. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. I'm just seeing what we've got. In fact, it's quite nice. Is this, how this is coming across, is this the vibe you're expecting?
Yeah, I think so.
Think so, yes, maybe?
Yeah, I've seen a couple that are like, all right.
All right. Are they your hero shots? No, as long as you can see what you want and you're not seeing it, then just leave it to you, because that's the best way to work. I much prefer, cool. It's like Lottie thinks it's a cop-out when I say, oh, can you do better? And it's not, it's because you know yourself. Yeah, it's still fine. If the picture's coming across the way you want it or not, cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. I'm just going to come off tripod for a second because that way I can just manipulate back a little bit more. Just by my moving, it's forcing her to follow a little bit. So it's cool. I'm liking this. Cool. I'm really liking this. Cool. Come along this wall a little bit more. Just there. Yeah, cool. Awesome. Awesome. I've just got to try and keep the same distance.
Yeah, surely there's something in there.
Surely.
Surely.
Surely. All right, that's look one. We're going to try and do a beauty type of shot.
We can try.
All right, so I'm not going to copy this exactly because the catch light's going to be different and this shadowing, everything's going to be different, but I'm going to try and more aim at this sort of feel. So I've got a black wall there. I might just wheel that black wall straight over what we've got. I'm going to give her a white lean board, so if there is any spill flash, it's going to fill her in. So I'm going to put a 150 on, which is like it's about maybe a 120 equivalent. Cool. That'll be too bright. There we go. Still too bright.
So much of my face.
I'm going to come back a little bit. You will give you a little bit more room, all right? I know. We don't normally, like, have we ever done a super close up like that? Don't stop judging. I've got works to do. All I'm doing is getting my exposure. I'm also looking at, I wouldn't mind it was a little bit more of a butterfly shadow under her nose. And this will pull a lot of the power off. Just see what I get as a test shot for there. Yes, it pulled a heap of power off. Has put this butterfly slightly there, but not a heap. I think I need to be a fraction higher. Nearly feeling I might need the flash even higher. I'm going to take the flash off the bracket and put it on top of the camera just to get some more height on the flash. I'll leave the power where it is. I'm going to change my camera settings after. I'm going to come down anyway to 5.6. Cool. Just to make it cool. That's what I wanted because I want to come back a little bit, which is going to turn it down a touch more. Right, so it's nearly got my exposure right. I'm thinking in my head, I need the camera definitely lower. I want that emotive look more. I want it to be slightly below Beck's eyes. I'm going to come back a fraction more, which should turn the light down. Cool. Yeah, it's perfect. Right, so there's my starting point. Again, we're going to go black and white. I definitely want to get that chrominess, make sure I've got detail in the hair. Now I know I'm making her skin look really bad at the moment, but to get this sort of contrasty, dark, moody look into this picture, I've got to sort of break her skin a bit, and I'm going to have to fix this in Photoshop. Cool. Cool. That's really cool there. This is starting to work. Did you want to have wispy bits of hair or not? Well, it's up to you. I don't want you, if it's not your look and it makes you feel uncomfortable, I don't want you doing it. That's cool. That's really cool. That's pretty. That's called sleepy Becks. That's called blown out Becks. What do you think about the hair on the face? Do you like it? Yeah. I like it a lot. This type of harsh lighting for close-ups is always going to need Photoshop.
It's like there's so much of my face, like
It's not life-size yet. That's still smaller than what you are. But when I blow it up super big. Cool, that's really pretty. That's nice. That's cool. With this, I'm just taking a few pictures just to see, are you liking the feel? Even though it's all nothing but head? Yeah. Or you just can't get used to it?
I'm just not used to it.
Do you want me to back off a fraction more?
No, it's all right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Cool, cool. Nice, nice. Cool, cool. I like that. I like that. And still just keep going back to that one.
Yeah, quite like that.
Do you reckon we can do better?
Probably not. It's hard to get my hair to do that. No, I like that.
You like that? All right, so this was so alien for Beck to do, but I think we've got a shot, and I'll quickly show you the retouch version of this. Okay, for my last setup, it's in our back props room, and we just quickly built a little prop to put Beck on. And I haven't taken a shot yet. I have changed, I'm still on my other settings, which is 400 ISO. I think I'm gonna be struggling with light in here, so I might just start off at F5. I'll put my power at about 8 on the flash. Do a test, like, see, and I'll just do a test shot. Oh, I nearly fluked it. Just going off on her leg and her face. At a 5.6, take one more shot. Perfect. So now I'm just going to quickly take it to black and white, similar to what we did before. I want to have a bit of a down curve. Definitely want to get this high contrast. So I want to protect the hair, and I want to put this little bit of contrast. You want this sort of like a little bit deer in headlights type of look, maybe. I think I'm happy with that. Cool, I like that. I like that a lot. Cool. That's really cool. Cool, I like that. Just tossing off if I want to get the boot right to the ground. I think I do, so I'm just going to sneak back a little bit. So I think I like the foot right to the ground. That's really cool. That's cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. I do like it when you slightly elongate like that. Yeah, I'm liking them a lot. All right, that's really cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice. That's cool. I like that. Nice, nice, nice. It's really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. I like that. The angle there is beautiful. That's cool. Just say it there. They keep that. So I'm liking that your chest turned out like that. Cool. Now you don't look so blocked up. When you turn your shoulders across, it blocks you up a lot because it's just all fur. Nice, nice. Yeah, too much turned that way. That's better. Cool. That's really cool. That's cool. I'm just chasing the face now. Cool. Awesome. Just pull the fur jacket across a touch. Just a, yeah, about there. Cool. Nice, nice. I reckon we got it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this quick little behind the scenes. If you did and you want to watch some more, I'll put some links up to other videos now.